Morning to one and all. Welcome class 12th in your English class. Today we'll be starting chapter 4, the enemy, and this is your sixth video of this chapter, class 12th. So we are talking about the enemy, and here is the picture of two enemies, and this is the animated one. You can say that, but we are talking about like how when we talked about that previous ones. So how that Henna and his servant conversation when Yumi, her servant, she refused to clean that man who is an American because she's making excuse like I don't want to clean that American man because I am from a poor family and it is none of my business. And after that. Hannah herself tried to clean the wound of that American man, and how she managed to do all these things. Let's read in today's class only, okay? So, continuing our video from here only, let's read here. While she was thinking these thoughts, not really liking the man better now that he was no longer a child, she kept on washing him until his upper body was quite clean, but she dared not to turn him over. Where was Sado? Now her anger was ebbing and she was anxious again, and she rose, whipping her hands on the wrong towel. Then, lest the man be chilled, she put the quilt over him. Sado, she called softly. He had been about to come in when she called. His hand had been on the door, and now he opened it. She saw that he had brought his surgeon emergency bag, and that he wore his surgeon coat. So here Hannah, while she had these thoughts that not really liking the man who was looking better now, and he was a young man, she did not stop cleaning him until his upper body shined. So, this means that Hannah cleaned that man properly, but she could not must courage to turn him over. पर उसमें इतना courage नहीं था that वो उस मैन को टर्न कर दे. सो सैडो वॉज नाउ हियर टू बी सीन. अब उसे सैडो दिखने लगी. नाउ हर एंगर वॉज इन कंट्रोल एंड शी वॉज वरिड अगेन. बट अब उसका एंगर जो है वो कंट्रोल में था, बट वो चिंता करने लगी. दैट शी देन शी स्टूड अप एंड वाइप्ड हर हैंड्स विद दैट रॉन्ग टाल. वो खड़ी हुई और फिर दूसरे टाल से गलत टॉवल से उसके हैंड्स पोंछने लगी. थिंकिंग अबाउट द कोल्ड शी कवर्ड द मैन विद क्विल्स. और वो अब ठंड के बारे में सोचकर उस मैन को उसने क्विल्ट से कवर कर दिया. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इन these lines I can clearly see that that enemy or that friend doesn't matter if somebody wants to help the other. And basic thing in all art is like we all are humans, and apart from our caste, religion, or our country, one thing is common between us, that is humanity. So we all are humans, so kept your humanity inside you. So this is like here both the husband and wife are performing their duties as a human. सो सैडो जो है शी कॉल्ड इन अ लो टोन, अपने हस्बैंड को बुलाती है. एंड ही वॉज जस्ट अबाउट टू एंटर व्हेन शी कॉल्ड हिज नेम. एंड जैसे वो अपने हस्बैंड का नेम बुलाती है वो एंटर हो जाते हैं. And he kept his hands on the door and now had opened it. She noticed the surgeon emergency bag. और जब वो देखती है कि उसके हस्बैंड जो है वो बैग लेकर आए, डोर ओपन कर रहे हैं, तो what was there in his hand? So there's an emergency bag, and he is having his surgeon's coat, which was like he was in his white surgeon's coat because he wants to perform surgery of that American men. सो यू हैव डिसाइडेड टू ऑपरेट, शी क्राइड. वो अपने हस्बैंड को क्या कहती है कि ओके तुमने डिसाइड कर लिया इसको ऑपरेट करने का. येस, ही सेड शॉर्टली. ही टर्न्ड हिज बैक टू हर एंड अनफोल्डेड अ स्टरलाइज्ड towel upon the floor of the tokonoma alcove and put his instruments out upon it. What is here tokonoma is written over here, a nick or an alcove in a Japanese home for displaying of flower arrangements, other piece of art, you can say that. So that is was there that kikimono you can say that piece of art. So Dr. Sado decided that he performed his surgery, and yes, he said shortly to his wife that he turned his back to her and unfolded a sterilized towel. और उन्होंने एक sterilized towel means जो पूरी तरह protective था. Sterilize is basically a process, sterilization, you all know that. And in that process, when we sterilize something, that means that thing is like germ free, and there's a particular temperature for that sterilization method and all these things. So उन्होंने वो टाल जो है रखा, एंड पुट हिज इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स अपॉन इट, और इस टाल पे अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स रखे. फेच टाल्स ही सेड, एंड उन्होंने अपनी वाइफ को कहा कि ब्रिंग सम मोर टाल्स. शी वेंट ओबीडियंटली बट नाउ एंशियस नाउ टू द लिनन शेल्व्स. वो वहाँ से चली गई. शी वेंट ओबीडियंटली, और वो अब सोचने लगी व्हाट हैपेंड टू द लिनन शेल्व्स, एंड टुक आउट द टॉवल्स. There ought also to be old pieces of matting so that the blood would not ruin the fine floor covering. And at the same time उसने ये भी सोचा कि कुछ मैटिंग के पीसेस ले आओ, so that जो ब्लड है वो फ्लोर कवरिंग को ख़राब ना करे. She went out the black veranda where the gardener kept strips of matting with which to protect the delicate shrubs on cold nights, and took in an armful of them. And then है ना, she followed him and bought a towel, and she was too worried, and she regretted not having that old pieces of mat which would have like saved the floor from being ruined with blood. And she reached the back of the veranda where the gardener had collected strips of matting to protect the delicate shrubs on those cold nights, and lifted as much as could hold in her arms. But on reaching the rooms, she would found that they were of no use. The mat under the man had already been ruined because of the blood that had run through the packing under the man's wound. So after when she reached there in the room, and she saw that what was there, so she obeyed him without a word and began to wash the man back carefully. And after that वो अपने husband का command सुनती है, and she washed the back of the man carefully. Yumi would not wash him, she said. तो वो कहती है कि यूमी ने इसको wash नहीं करा है. Did you wash him then? Sado asked, not stopping for a moment his swift, concise movement. Yes, she said. He did not seem to hear her, but she was used to his absorption when he was at the work. She wondered for a moment if the matter to him was the body upon which he worked so long as it was for the work he did so excellently. You will have to give the anesthetic if he needs it, he said. So here जो डॉक्टर सैडो हैं वो अपनी वाइफ से बात करते हैं. ही इज़ परफॉर्मिंग all those activity which were like needed for that operation one. So both on reaching the room, she found that there was no use of that particular mats and all these things because of blood had run through the packaging under the man wounds. And oh, the mat, she cried. And after that she cried ki oh, mat kharab ho gaya. Yes, it's been spoiled. Sado replied as if he did not see it. You should not help me to turn him. You should help me to turn him, he asked his wife, and she did not, you can say that she did as asked without saying any word. He became busy in washing the man back carefully, and after that Dr. Sado washed that man back carefully. And Yumi, she mentioned her husband and explained everything that Yumi ne mana kar diya wash karne se, and it was you then who washed him, Sado said, running his hand washing the man. Sado उस मैन को वॉश करते हुए कहते हो कि फिर तुमने वॉश किया इस मैन को. Yes, she said, and she replied yes in positive way, and he did not seem to hear her, but she knew that he heard her and did not disturb his concentration from. And at that time Sado heard everything, but he didn't respond at that moment because, and Hena भी उसे कुछ नहीं कहती because she knew very well that while performing operation like this, how much concentration a person is needed at that time. That is why she thought for a moment, and if he was concerned about the body upon which he worked, as long as it was the work, he performed with so much perfection. And इस तरीके की जो body होती है, when a person wants to perform such kind of work on those bodies, or like these kinds of operation and surgeries, a person needs perfection and concentration at the same time. So let's read here, and for that you are supposed to give him anesthetic in case if it is needed to give him anesthetic, he said. And who I, she said blankly, and but I have never. तो वो अपने कहता है कि मैंने ऐसा नहीं करा है. You don't need any expertise to do it, he said impatiently. और वो अपनी वाइफ को कहता है कि एनेस्थेटिक देने के लिए you don't need expertise to do it. And he had removed the packaging of sea moss from his wound. And जिस sea moss से उन्होंने उसकी पैकेजिंग करी थी wound पे, वो उसको उसने हटाया, रिमूव किया. And it allowed blood to flow more quickly. और after that जो blood है वो बहुत ज़्यादा quickly बहने लगा. He inspected the wound with the light of the torch fixed on the surgeon's cap on his forehead. And like you can see here in the picture, students, like this is like a surgeon's cap, and here is the light on Dr. Sado's cap, which looks like जिसकी वजह से उन्हें लाइट मिल रही थी. सो देर दिस यू कैन से दैट दिस सर्जन्स कैप पे जो ये लाइट है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट लाइट डॉक्टर सैडो ने है जो वहाँ उस के वूंड पर देखा. सो ही वॉज टॉकिंग आउट द पैकेजिंग नाउ, एंड द ब्लड बिगेन टू फ्लो मोर क्विकली, एंड ही peered into the wound with the bright surgeon light fastened on his forehead. The bullet is still there, he said with cold interest. Now I wondered how deep this rock wound is. It is not only not too deep, it may be, but that I can get the bullet, but the bleeding is not superficial. He has lost much blood. And after that he explained everything, that that bleeding जो है वो क्या है और कैसा उसके घाव है. सो वो पैकेजिंग रिमूव करने के बाद डॉक्टर सैडो एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि जो बुलेट है, बिकॉज उनकी जो सर्जन्स कैप है ऑन हिज फोरहेड, द टॉर्च इज फिक्स्ड ओवर देयर, एंड द बुलेट इज सीन. व्हेन ही इंस्पेक्टेड हिम ही सॉ दैट द बुलेट इज सीन ट्रैप्ड इन द फ्लैश. ही सेड कामली, बिकॉज वो बुलेट वहीं पर स्टक हो रखी थी. नाउ आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सीवियरनेस ऑफ दिस रॉक वूंड. वो अब उन्होंने ये तो जान लिया, अब वो नेक्स्ट घाव के लिए कह रहे हैं कि किस तरह उसका जो नेक्स्ट वूंड है जो रॉक की वजह से लगा है. इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट डीप, that wound is not deep and trapped in flesh, he said, not deep, I can get the bullet out. वो कहते हैं कि अगर ये घाव ज़्यादा वैसा नहीं है, जैसे हम कहते हैं यू कैन से दैट डीप नहीं है, तो मैं इसको क्योर इजीली कर सकता हूँ. आई कैन गेट द बुलेट आउट, बट ही इज़ ब्लीडिंग वेरी फास्ट. ही हैज़ लॉस्ट मच ब्लड. बट ये इतना ज़्यादा ब्लड ये लूज़ कर चुका है. एट दिस मोमेंट ही हर्ड अ साउंड फ्रॉम हेना, और ही सॉ दैट हर एक्सप्रेशन हैड द कलर ऑफ सल्फर. उसके बाद वो हेना को देखते हैं. स्टे इन योर सेंस, ही सेड शार्पली. ही केप्ट होल्डिंग हिज एक्सप्लोरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट, एंड स्टॉपिंग नाउ मीन्स certain death of this man. She kept her hands on her mouth and rushed out of the room. He could hear that you can say that she was vomiting in the garden, but he did not seize his hands. So there is like after that blood loss and all these things, at this moment Henna choked. तो ये सब देख के, because Henna is not a perfectionist here, and she is not a surgeon, and Dr. Sado performs his surgeries in the hospitals there. So after seeing all those moments कि कैसे उसका blood बह रहा था, it's not easy, my dear students, to see such things like in hospitals or like wounded person. It's a very difficult kind of a situation, and everybody can't have that gut to face all these things. So he looked up and saw her face the color of sulfur, कि उसके face पे इतना जो pale color है वो था. Don't faint, he said sharply. उसने अपनी wife को कहा बेहोश मत हो जाना. And he did not put down his exploring movement, और उन्होंने अपना exploring instrument डॉक्टर सैडो ने नहीं रखा. If I stop now, the man will surely die. And डॉक्टर सैडो कहते हैं अगर मैं रुक गया, अभी अपनी वाइफ को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं हेना को कि if I stop because of you, because you feel choked, so that man would die. सो शी क्लैप्ड हर हैंड्स टू हर माउथ एंड लीप्ड अप एंड रैन आउट ऑफ द रूम. और वो अपने दोनों हैंड्स अपने माउथ पे यूँ रख लेती हैं एंड शी रैन आउट ऑफ द रूम. एंड आउटसाइड द गार्डन ही हर्ड द रेचिंग बट ही वेंट ऑन विथ हिज वर्क. और उन्होंने डॉक्टर सैडो ने आवाज़ सुनी दैट हिज वाइफ इज़ लाइक वॉमिटिंग ओवर देयर, बट उन्होंने अपने वर्क से कॉन्सेंट्रेशन नहीं हटाया. इट विल बी बेटर फॉर हर टू एम्प्टी हर स्टमक ही थॉट. और वो अपने मन में सोचने लगे कि अपनी वाइफ को एम्प्टी स्टमक रहना ही ठीक है. ही हैड फॉरगॉटन दैट ऑफ कोर्स शी हैड नेवर सीन एन ऑपरेशन. एंड एट दैट टाइम डॉक्टर सैडो अपने परफेक्शनिस्ट या अपनी सर्जरी में इतना बिजी हो गए दैट ही वोंट पे अटेंशन. और वो ये भूल ही गए थे कि उनकी वाइफ ने कभी कोई ऑपरेशन देखा ही नहीं है. बट हर डिस्ट्रेस एंड हिज inability to get her at once made him impatient and irritable with this man who lay like and under his like dead under his knife. But at the same time, Mr. Dr. Sado can understand his wife's situation, but वो बुलेट को निकालने में इतने बिजी थे that at that moment he heard a sound from a henna, but he won't pay any attention. So and after that henna was not there and she was vomiting in the garden. But that after that doctor thinks that she feel relaxed once her stomachs become empty. So it seemed that he did not remember the phase that it was first chance for a live operation, जब उसकी वाइफ एक लाइव सर्जरी देख रही है. But partially because of her condition and partially because of the inability to go to her, he was angry with the man who was lying like a dead man under his knife. लेकिन वो इस बात के लिए भी था कि जो डेड मैन है वो उसके वाइफ के नाइफ के नीचे सो रहा था. Students will be continuing the next part of our video in our next part in our next video. Till then, stay safe and stay sanitize yourself. Okay. This chapter is like very lengthy one, so there are so many videos of this chapter, and after completing the chapter I will send you the PDF of this chapter.